Hi, I'm Nurul, creator for Bagong Overland. I have waited a year to own this. See why I decided to upgrade from the normal board. Look, the color matches our camp setup. It glides so smooth on the water, even with a load. So let's unbox this together, what you will get when you purchase the set. Of course, the box. It will be delivered in this box. The box is so fancy, I'm saving it for sure. I'm ready to open it now. Let's go. So you get the bag. I really like the bag. It's really nice. And here, taking it all out on the box. It's a standard set where you will get a manual, repair kit, fin, paddle, pump, and the leash. They're all wrapped in plastic. Let's see. Let's fill out the fin first. Another Aqua Marina brand filter. And there's the repair kit with the leash and the manual. Aqua Marina English. It's all in English, so no worries. The manual again in English. I need to translate. That's the warranty card. Oh, I didn't fill it up, but it's 1 year warranty from us. It's a 3-piece pedal. Stick it out. Has a matte finish, nice to grip, nice to hold. You have all the right things on it. It makes it look so cool. Adjust the lock. Alright, let's unzip and see the board now. So exciting. Okay. It has a pocket in the back. I like that. And put the pin there. This is my first time unboxing a branded board, so I'm taking this all in one step at a time, processing each step as I go. I like that. Look at that color. So every single parts is being wrapped to safe keep the board. Ta-da! Aqua Marina Magma. That's the pump area. The finishing is quite nice. So I'm pumping it up slowly using the blower first. So lazy one more pump. And I don't have an electric pump yet. Ta-da! So once it's pumped up, it looks really nice. There you go. The name is printed under the board. So there's the fin, slide and clip, and the leash. Ta-da! So this is how I usually keep it the board. The leash, I wrap it in the handle. That little one just couldn't wait anymore. Let's wrap up and bye!